Hi, here is the screenshot from our YouTube website with over more than 20,000 views for model 823. This is our hostile model stand fan 823. High hardness, compact grip, small gap preventing children's hand from injury. Oscillation 90 degrees from left to right. High quality powerful motor with 145 degree safety overheating fuse inside. Modern panel and durable ABS body. Swift is and 1 hour timer. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Comfortable high meets different needs. Large and stable base, past 10 degree in high test. OEM logo and color. This is the twins model with remote control. 823R. LED panel with 7.5 hours timer. Long distance sensitive operation. Take both of them is the best choice. We are for BOQI Fan Factory.